Hello student, in today's lecture we are going to study about the reproductive behavior under the aggression, okay, or the aggressive behavior. So what is actually during our last class we have already dealt with the reproductive behavior and the territoriality. Okay, so now we are going to see about the aggressive behavior. So aggressive behavior, or it is in the animal behavior that involves actual or the potential harm to another animal. Okay, and um, this aggressive behavior is mostly seen uh, in a group, also in a individuals also. Okay, and it is this aggressive or aggression is a group of behavioral activities that will include threat, posture, rituals, or and occasionally physical attack to another organism. Okay, and these are usually involves the two members or towards the member of the same sex or species. Okay, and it will be having a various functions, including the displacement of other animals from an area which is and usually a territory of that specific animal, or it will also protect its resources, for example food, or it may be defense for mate or for offspring, or for the establishment of the rank in a social hierarchy. Okay, so you got this aggression is a group of actually a group of behavioral activities that will include threat postures, rituals, and occasional physical attack to another organism in order to protect its territory, to mark or to protect its resources such as food, and also to dispense of a mate, or also to protect its offspring, or to establishment of the rank in a social hierarchy. Okay, and this establishment of the rank in a social hierarchy will be seen in a socialite organism or animal, or the animal which are lives in a group, okay, or colonies. This aggressive behavior is distinguished between two types, that is predatory or the anti-predatory aggression, in which an animal prey upon or defend themselves from other animals of a different species. Okay, and another type is the intraspecific aggression. This intraspecific aggression is most common, or this type of aggression is found in a males that will, or found in an organism that will compete for the same resources. Okay, same the population of a same individuals will compete for same resources, that may be for the feeding of a nestling site or for mating. Okay, the intraspecific aggression will be observed in a population, individuals of a same population which will be compete for same resources. Okay, in order to they will control of a feeding or nestling site, or of a for mating. Okay, and the example, this intraspecific aggression is widely observed in a diverse creatures, for example in a sea anemones, ragworms, then spiders, field crickets, lobsters, salmon, tree frogs. Okay, for example this animal will fight, uh, the different aggression patterns has been observed. For example, different kinds of animal fights. Okay, that will in order to express their aggression. Okay, for example in a sea anemone, once there will be a lash at one another with the help of tentacles. Okay. uh, and then these tentacles will armed with stinging cells. Okay. Whereas in the rag worms there has been seen a proboscis that they use for digging the burrows. This way they will show their aggression to one another. Okay. Whereas in lobster they will be use their large claws for hitting and grasping. Okay. Whereas in the tree frogs bristle will be observed, then robin speck, then red deer will use their antlers to push and like battle one another. Okay. So usually these two individuals or few individuals will participate in a fight, but there are cases in which large groups of animals are also involved. Okay. For example, in in like in monkeys, like macaque races, then in which two groups will fight for the territory and all. Okay. But actually in the groups also, the alpha, the hierarchy one, the dominant one will fight with another dominant, mm, and that's how they will occupy their territory, or they will mark their hierarchy. Okay. The examples of this is the lethal fight that take place between neighboring ant colonies uh, during springtime. Okay. And for example, in a male chimpanzees also, they will fight against their smaller neighboring groups if they enter their territory and all. Okay. Then another word which is given to the aggression behavior or aggressive behavior is a agnostic behavior. This agnostic behavior is an alternative term for aggressive behavior as per the R.J. Miller in 1978, and this will refer to a fighting and the competitive behavior, and in this usually an animal, so, and will included, and they also includes the threats and offensive attacks as well as the defensive fighting. The agnostic behavior tends to occur in a situation involving a conflict or for competition for space, resources, mates, and status, or for protection of self or young one. So agnostic behavior is nothing but it is an alternative name, term suggested for aggressive behavior, and in this the they will the organism or animal will conflict with each other or compete with each other for space, resources, mates, or status, or for protection of itself or for its young one. Okay. um, so what is the difference between aggression and agnostic behavior?